So these have become increasingly more popular in terms of questions that get asked on multiple choice. The map onto itself questions. Okay, and that just means literally that if you do the transformation, that all of the points will be in the exact they'll line up with the old points. All right, so the shape itself will not move at all. All right, so let's just look at one of these here. Reflection over the x-axis. If I did this number one, this point will end up here. This point will end up down here, and then the same thing. It won't move. All right, so let's write this down. Map the rectangle onto itself means does not move. All right, and it has the word not in there. So this wants to know which one moves. One doesn't move. We just showed why. Reflection over the line x equals 4. Maybe I don't know where that is. Okay. Rotation of 180 degrees around the origin. Well, we already said that we can always do this. You can just take your piece of paper and turn it. All right, and see if it moves. So let's squeeze him right here. Reasonably small. And again, I'm doing this with the computer, which is probably how you've done it. You just take the piece of paper and turn it. Rotate left 90. So there's 90. Rotate left 90. There's 180. It moved. It's in a new spot. Okay, so that's the answer right there. Rotation of 180 around the origin is the answer because it moved. All right, let's just double check. Those are the two don't move. X equals 4 is that line right there. All right, all the x values are 4. Okay, clearly it's right down the middle of that rectangle. All right, so that does not move. And then rotation of 180 around the 0.40. Now this is a little weird because we don't do these rotations ever. But if that's the center, that means it spins around that point and it's going to go 180 degrees. So it's just going to end up right back there again. All right, those rotations are a little bit of an evil question because we don't do those rotations on our own. All right, so we just have to kind of interpret it. Thankfully, they're going to normally be very, very obvious questions.